Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to direct your attention to a very encouraging graph regarding test results. It'll be over my shoulder and hopefully on the screen for those of you watching on television. As this chart shows, the United States has to date completed 7.5 million coronavirus tests. It's an extraordinary number. And as you can see, the United States leads the world in testing. This graph is no accident. In fact, this graph is a testament to American innovation, including the work of the Trump administration. For example, the FDA has issued over 70 emergency use authorizations to expand testing capacity. To accelerate the development of therapeutics and vaccines, there are nearly 80 clinical trials ongoing, with an additional 30 clinical trials expected. This graph is also a testament to the American people, who have been, and it's no exaggeration, American warriors, as they've followed social distancing guidelines and taken steps to ensure that the health and safety of our vulnerable populations is protected. Finally, I would like to note that this graph indicates that the U.S. has conducted double the number of tests conducted in other countries. The U.S. is providing leadership during this crisis, not only leading the world in testing, but also taking steps to help allies around the world. Steps we are able to take only because of this country's incredible ingenuity and work ethic. As you're well aware, President Trump has consistently sided with the experts and has always prioritized the health and safety of the American people. This includes issuing guidance that meant hardworking Americans had to stay home, social distance, and slow the spread of the virus. The hard work of Americans saved many lives, and we salute the great citizens of this country for your hard work. As Americans across the country stayed home and businesses temporarily shut their doors, President Trump ensured American employees and employers would receive the help that they needed. The Paycheck Protection Program provided forgivable loans to small business owners who kept their employees on payroll. To date, 2.3 million small business loans have been processed, with the average loan being $76,000. In other words, meaning that the small businesses that needed the help the most got it. I would remind everyone that of the 1.6 million loans given out in the first tranche of spending, 1 million of those went to businesses with 10 or fewer employees. So it truly has gone to those who need it most.